Terve! Welcome to Kepper's Garage.
Here we have the reverse camera installation going on. So I bought these cheap reverse cameras online and they came with cable. So the cable has connector to the camera and it also has the connector to the power source. So we are going to use the reverse light as a power source. So whenever you turn on the reverse, the camera will have power. I'm using the same cable I bought for the sauna project when I was installing the LED lighting on the terrace. So it's nice, it has like 4 wires inside and it's enough for running the camera. I'm gonna use red and white for the connections, and then I'm having still basically 3 different wires I can use for another purpose. So I will turn them around to indicate that it's not connected. There won't be any power there. Then I connect the black one into the white one. Isn't that a little bit obvious? Then the red one into the red one. That makes more sense. Actually, I will cut off the extra wires because I guess that's the standard way to go. So now we are having the connections for the camera. So now we are ready for the camera part. And I will do that from the other side. Not sure whether which side, but up there somewhere. So this is the camera part of it. Pretty simple, I guess. I'm not completely sure how to how it's like supposed to be installed, but I'm fairly sure we need to use some glue also to fix the camera part. Otherwise it's gonna be moving around a lot. It also came with the drill bit. Let's see. This kind of guy. So maybe we just go on and make the hole for it.
No, tuliko ihan huono?
That was a little bit too cheap drill bit. All the tips were gone and this is twisted. Alright, let's try again with better tools. Tuuliluuti. I'm alive. I did add O-ring into the camera, so I'm not going to glue it in there just yet, but I'm not sure whether that's a good idea or not. But we will see. I hope the water stays out of the cart. I tried to paint this holder a little bit wider because I installed the O-ring, so the camera sits a little bit deeper and it's not taking the nut is not going in, so it's super small. I need to figure out whether I can do it like this or do I need to do something else. Now it goes in. Perfect. That's there. Oh. Whew. Then we need to connect the connector. That's now connected, I hope. Nice. Yeah, I figured out that I will also need to test the camera before closing everything behind the wood. So here we are. We are setting the test bench for the camera. So I will put in 12 volts from the starter battery, and we will be having our old TV where we watch the show. Are you ready? So here's the TV, there's the other end of the cable, and Bon voyage, what the Frenchman says. Where should I put this? I think it was good here. Obviously this is not the actual monitor we are using to display the rear camera. It's gonna be the head unit of the stereo system. But that we don't have yet. So, let's see. First I need to figure out the channel for the TV. It's going to fall. There's also a possibility of it falling. Is it even working anymore? HDMI source. ATV, DVD, EV, this is the correct one. So let's use that one. No signal. Shout it out if it works. I'm gonna put on the power. So now goes in the power for the camera. Anything? Do we have actually video? Woohoo! Haha! How epic is this? There's our backyard. It's twisted a bit. I'm gonna twist it around a little bit. Let's see whether it turns around or not. I certainly need to glue it in because whenever we are driving around it will twiggle around also. Is the cable enough down here? So I figured out that if I place a plank here, which is like approximately 1 meter away from the van, that corner too, like this, and if I can see that from the camera, I should be fine. So that's the furthest I can reverse whenever I'm reversing. aim the camera. I also watch from the outside. I cannot see actually anything but myself. Let's go here. Now you cannot see anything but me. That's great. That's great. That's great.
All right. Camera is now installed. Let's hope that it will stay in correct position while the car is driving around. Yippee!